Good morning, everyone. There is a good news for us. I am happy to tell you that our organization going to invited some VIP professor to teach our students. Master of their field. Just like our Einstein, sir. Okay. Very good morning, everyone. I am going to mention their names. My name is Albert Einstein. People called me whole package of science. Marie Curie. She went her own way. Isaac Newton. The man who defined science on a bet. Charles Darwin, delivering the evolutionary gospel. Nikola Tesla, wizard of the Industrial Revolution. Galileo Galilei, discovered of the cosmos. Ada Lovelace, the enchantress of numbers. Pythagoras, maths mystery man. Aryabhata, Indian mathematician and astronomer. Srinivas Ramanujan, Indian mathematician. APJ Abdul Kalam, Indian scientist. And so on. They are invited by Knowledge Academy. Did you know our college invited some greatest scientists to teach us?
Wow, that's great. I am so happy.
Okay, now we need to go our classroom. Biology. Teacher will coming soon.
Okay, let's go.
What happened with you? You are looking very nervous.
You know, Bhaskar, I did not understand yesterday biology class.
Don't worry, brother. From today our biology teacher has changed. New biology teacher will taking our class. So please don't panic about it.
Hello students. Good morning. My name is Carolius Lanius. I was born in the 23rd of May 1707. I am the father of classification of living organisms. Today, I am going to teach you about diversity of the living organism. So, please stay focused and listen carefully. So, okay, let's start our class now. Today's chapter is Living World. Do you know what is living? Living is something that is alive, something that can grow, move, reproduce, respire and carry out various cellular activities.
Professor Linus, how many species are discovered present time?
Good question. Approx 1.7 to 1.8 million species are found.
Oh, I see.
Professor Linus, what is the diversity of the living world?
The term biodiversity or biological diversity means the number and types of organisms present on Earth, forms of life in the living world. The living world includes all the living organisms, such as microorganisms, plants, animals, and human. Now listen, be carefully. Identification. comparing similarities and differences with already known ones. Nomenclature, naming of organisms. The names are unique and universal. Rules for nomenclature are provided by ICBN, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature, and ICZN, International Code for Zoological Nomenclature.
Professor Linus, what is binomial nomenclature?
Binomial nomenclature was given by Carolius Linnaeus. It means, I am the father of taxonomy, name with two parts, generic name, genus, and specific epithet, species. Guidelines for nomenclature. 1. It should be inch, Latin, or derived from Latin. 2. If it is written in italics, when types, and underlined, when handwritten. 3. It contains two parts. First word is genus, and second word is species. 4. Genus name starts with capital, while species name starts with small letters. Name should be short, precise, and easy to pronounce. Name of the author is written as an abbreviated from after the species. Example, Mangifera, indica, Linn. Classification is a grouping of organisms into categories based on observable characters. Category. Taxa. Taxonomy. Characterization. Identification. Classification and nomenclature are the process of taxonomy. Systematics is a different kinds of organisms and their relationships. Taxonomical hierarchy. Similarities decreases, or you can say differences increases. 1. Species. Panthera, Leo. Panthera, Pardus. Panthera, Tigris. 2. Genus. Panthera, Lion, Leopard, Tiger. 3. Family. Panthera and Felis, together into Felidae. Order. Felidae. Cat family. Canidae. Dog family. Carnivora. Class. Carnivora. Tiger. Cat. Dog. Primates. Monkeys. Mammalian. Phylum. Pisces. Amphibian. Reptilian. Aves and mammals. Kingdom. Plantae. Animalia.
Professor Linus, what is taxonomical aids?
Taxonomical aids are the collection of samples or preserved organisms which help in extensive research for the identification of various taxonomic hierarchy. 1. Herbarium. 2. Botanical garden, NBRI, Lucknow, and APC, Howrah. 3. Museum. 4. Zoological park. 5. Key. Analytical in nature. Herbarium. It is the storehouse of collected plant specimens. Collected plant specimens are dried, pressed, and preserved on sheets, and then arranged systematically, according to the universally accepted system of classification. Botanical gardens. It has the collection of living plant species that are grown for identification and reference. Each plant contains labels indicating their scientific name and family. Some famous botanical gardens are Indian Botanical Garden, Calcutta, largest botanical garden in India, Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, largest botanical garden in the world, National Botanical Research Institute, etc. Museum. It is the repository that is a collection of various plant and animal specimens that are preserved for study and reference. The organisms are preserved either in preservative solution or in the form of dry specimen. It often has a collection of skeletons of animals also. Zoological parks. Wild animals are kept in protected environments. Provides opportunity for studying the behavior and food habits of the animals. Keys. Keys are used for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities. Manuals, monographs, and catalogs are other means of recording descriptions. Manuals help in the identification of names of various species of organisms in a given area. Monograph is a detailed and well-documented work on any particular taxon. Organisms with their taxonomic categories. Man, Homo sapiens, Homo, Homoinidae, primate, tridate, mammalia. House flea, Musa domestica, Musca, Musidae, Diptera, Insecta, Arthropoda. Mango, Mongifera indica, Mongifera, Anacardiaceae, Sapindles, Dicotyledone, and Geospermi. Wheat, Triticum aestivum, Triticum, Poasa, Poles, Monocotyledone, and Geospermi. Okay, students. Bye. We will learn next class more deep about biological classification. If you have any kind of question, ask me on comment box. Bye.